What's the most embarrassing thing you've done ever in a relationship?
Guys, don't judge. It's like a pit. It's like the bar is so low for me in love. So I was going through a breakup, and as per usual, blocking shocking happened, and then I really had to get in touch with this person, and I am very anti-blocking. Like I feel like if you've ended the relationship, you need to be fucking mature and not block. Then like challenge yourself. So I didn't block and all, and I'm texting, nothing is going, I'm WhatsApping, nothing. I have called nothing, emailed nothing. So this was the pits that I sent 55 rupees on GPay. Okay, and with GPay, I sent a message saying, please call me back. He blocked me on GPay.
Oh shit.
Dude.
Then I went on LinkedIn. And then I sent him a message on LinkedIn.
We are hiring.
And
Salary is you pay me back my 55.
then he blocked me on LinkedIn.
Oh shit.
Then I was like, there is no way. अब कबूतर तो नहीं भेज सकती उसके घर. So like there was no way to communicate, and basically I really had to talk to him about something important.
And he still doesn't know what you wanted to say.
No, then one day he got drunk, unblocked me, called me. So, but I hadn't blocked him, no. So I picked up the phone. Yo, listen. I was trying to get in touch but whatever.
But because, was it like a logistical thing or was it like a feelings thing that you wanted to say?
No, logistical. I had some diaries and my journals in his house, and I really wanted them back.
Oh, that's it.
No, those journals I've been writing since I was a baby.
Oh my god.
Did he send you the 55 back?
Yes. Yeah, did he send you the 55 back? That's also an important thing.
I was chindi. I only give 55. He was
Actually,
very
55 was very generous. You can
Yeah.
go with 5 rupees also.
No, but I'm very cute. 55 was like an inside joke. So I sent it as an inside joke, but that...
Beat gayi meri bachpan, now here is pachpan.